Hi everybody, I'm Sara Douglas and I'm the CEO of Stampin Up, and I am so excited to share with you our Paper Pumpkin Box of Sunshine. Now there's more to this kit than just the cards that come inside. We're going to use the box a little bit later on too. But for now, let's jump in. Now that my cards are done, I'm going to make a box of sunshine for a friend. And that's all there is to it. I'm so excited to see what all of you do with your box of sunshine. Be sure to share your projects using the hashtag #ShareSunshine. For our global markets, remember you will be able to get this kit starting August 11th while supplies last. So talk to your demonstrator for more information. And finally, as one last surprise, if you want to share more boxes of sunshine, you can use the mini Paper Pumpkin boxes in the annual catalog to share sunshine even more with those you love. Thanks everybody for sharing sunshine with me this year.